Hey ladies, it appears that some of y'all are having issues turning in your Realize work, so I wanted to make a screencast really quickly to show you. When you are on your home screen, the only way that I will see your assignment is if you access your homework this way, where it says classes right underneath. It says today is the due date for an assignment. You're going to click in progress, select the assignment, and then turn in. If you access it this way by going through your biology textbook, I made a dummy assignment that just affects this student, which is none of y'all, so it's not going to do anything. But if you are accessing your assignment this way and going through the text, the e-text lesson review on the bottom, apparently my internet's slow, sorry. And then you just fill out all these questions, you'll notice there is no submit button. So you would answer all of these questions either by accessing it that way and answer all the questions, then you have to go back and turn it in, or you can simply, again, sorry, slow internet, go to your main screen here. You're going to click, you'll see that you have an in-progress assignment, and then you're going to turn in. You can access your assignment right here. So make sure that when you guys are working through the assignments on Realize and you're entering your homework in that way, that you go through that main page, this main page here, and then classes. Right underneath, you'll see your assignment, again through in progress, and then turn in. If you just access it through the textbook, by going through browse, there is not a turn in option. So please make sure that you go through and turn in everything. If you have any questions, let me know.